Once, in a small village nestled between two towering mountains, there lived an old man named Arvind. He was a humble carpenter known for his craftsmanship. The village was divided by a raging river that made it almost impossible for people from one side to connect with the other during the monsoon season. Every year, villagers on both sides would suffer, families separated, goods unable to reach markets, and lives inconvenienced. One day, after a heavy storm, Arvind saw a young boy stranded on the opposite bank, unable to cross the river to get to his school. The boy waved helplessly, his books soaked from the rain. Arvind's heart ached as he realized how often such moments of helplessness repeated themselves in his village. Without hesitation, Arvind decided to take on a monumental task, to build a bridge that would connect both sides of the village. People mocked him, saying, "You're too old. The river's too wild. It's impossible." But Arvind, undeterred, began working with the little tools and wood he had. Day after day, he toiled, cutting wood, measuring planks, and building the foundation in silence. Many doubted his ability, but a few curious children and young villagers started helping him, inspired by his determination. Slowly, the bridge began to take shape. Months passed. One chilly morning, as the villagers awoke, they found the bridge standing tall, a sturdy, beautiful structure connecting their two worlds. People gathered around, amazed at what the old carpenter had accomplished. That very day, the young boy who had once been stranded crossed the bridge with a smile, clutching his books tightly. The bridge did more than connect two banks, it united the village. Trade flourished, families reunited, and the community grew stronger. When asked why he took on such an impossible task, Arvind simply said, "A bridge isn't just wood and nails. It's hope. Hope that we can connect, grow, and rise together." Years later, even after Arvind passed away, the bridge remained a testament to his vision and perseverance, inspiring generations to believe in the power of determination and selflessness. When faced with challenges, don't let doubt or fear hold you back. Even the smallest acts of persistence and courage can create bridges that inspire and uplift others. Believe in your ability to make a difference, no matter how impossible it may seem. Thank you so much for taking the time to listen this story. If it resonated with you, I'd love for you to like, share, and comment below. Your thoughts mean the world to me, and I'm eager to hear how this story touched your heart. Let's continue spreading inspiration together, your support makes it all possible.